Hi, my name is Bob. Bob the cat. You believe that? Hey, you know what? Dogs suck. Yeah, they do. They suck. All they do is brown nose the owners and all that other good stuff. But we cats, we just lay around and the owners just come over and pet us. And what else they do? Shit, I don't know. Because I'm always sleeping. And then they come over and bother me. What the hell's up with that? Anyway, I'm just want to just stop by and tell you that dogs are stupid, they're dumb, and they're stupid, 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 stupid. But us cats, we are cool. We run the house. We love that. Love it. Now, until the next time I talk to you, you take care. Keep petting the kitties and kick the dog for me, okay?